Hey guys, it is Triple T here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, give me a huge thumbs up. Today I'm with Pete and Shorty, and today I'm gonna tell you guys some tips about slime and what you need to know, and we're gonna kind of play with it together. So let's get started. So, if you know, my slime's really stretchy, so if you know, I'm going to do this on purpose, so if you know it rips, for an example like that, that means you overactivated it. But let's do a bounce test. Good bounce. Kind of fail here, but if you know it's not even slime and it didn't even activate, it won't work. But be generous with it. So now we're gonna do some stretchy. That's a lot of stretch. Now we're gonna do a clicky test. And now I'm gonna try to do a swirl. Okay, let's do a swirl. So here's my swirl. I don't know if it's good enough, but now we're gonna do the bubble before we move on to the rest of the tips. That bubble didn't really work, but it's okay. So right now, so we'll do it in a little bit. And so I want you guys to know that it's okay if your slime doesn't form out right away. It takes practice. So just try and try and try. And guys, there's all kinds of different slimes. I'll tell you what, fluffy slime, jiggly slime, other kinds of slimes, but I forgot their names. Butter slime and so much more. And yeah, guys. So I want you guys to know that if it stretches real good, you activated it perfectly. So I hope you guys have a good day. Thanks for watching. Please click like, subscribe, and in the comments let me know if you like slime. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.